Good morning, children. I hope you all are fit and fine at home. Today we are going to learn app sound words. Apple. App sound words. Apple. App sound words. So let's start. Are you ready? Now see, this is app cap. C-A-P cap. App cap. Now see, this is app lap. L-A-P lap. App lap. Now see, this is app nap. N-A-P nap. App nap. Here comes app sap. S-A-P sap. App sap. Now see, app map. M-A-P map. App map. Now this is app tap. T-A-P tap. App tap. Now let's revise again. Are you ready? App sound words. App cap. App map. App nap. App lap. App tap. App sap. Dear children, today we have learnt app sound words. Now revise these app sound words at home with your parents. Thank you.